Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TriNet login problems, employer and employee access errors step by step clearly. To resolve TriNet login problems for both employers and employees, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies for optimal performance. If the issue persists, try using a different browser or device to see if that resolves the problem. Make sure that you are using the correct URL for the TriNet login page. Double-check your username and password for accuracy, ensuring that caps lock is not accidentally enabled. If you've forgotten your password, locate the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email associated with your account. If you are an employer, verify that you're using the correct credentials for the employer portal. In case of persistent login issues, check if there are any known outages with TriNet by visiting their status page or social media channels. If you are still unable to log in, consider reaching out to TriNet's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issue for quicker resolution. Employers should also review any settings related to employee access that may be affecting logins. Reassure employees that these issues are common and can usually be resolved quickly. Ensure that your software is up to date, as outdated applications can lead to compatibility issues. Finally, once logged in, remember to update your account details to prevent future login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.